VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP are both lookup functions with a very similar functionality in Excel and Google Sheet. You have a value from a table or a list, and VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP functions return a related result. In this video, I will show you how you can use each function. Here in my spreadsheet, I have a long list of zip codes from different cities in random order, which contain 425 records. In another tab, I have a similar list of zip codes, but this time with information about their city names. First, I'm going to use VLOOKUP function to match each zip code on the first list with its respective city from the second list. To make life easier for myself, first I copy the information in my second tab to the first tab. So I have all the information in the same tab so I can easier type my formula. What I want to do is for the zip codes on the column B, find the respective city from the second data source on column J and put the result in column D. Now I type my formula, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, first I need to give it lookup value. Lookup value is the cell or value that I want to find the information for, here B2. Then I need to give it a table array. Table array is my second data source where it contains the zip codes and their respective city, means column I and J. Remember that your table array should be in order, meaning that your values, similar to the values that you have on column B, should be the first column in the table array, and the results should be the columns after that. So I select my table array as column I and J, comma. Next, it asks for column index numbers. What it means is, in your table, what is the number of columns that the results are located? Here, my table starts with column AI. Column I is 1. The result is column J. Column J is 2. So here, I put 2. If my table contained 3 columns, let's say I, J, and K, and the city, the result that I'm looking for, was contained in column K, I would have put in 3 here. Comma, and for the last part of the VLOOKUP functions, you need to specify whether the match is exact or approximate match, because in my dataset, the zip codes in both data sources, column B and column I, exactly match with each other, so I put false. Now I drag my formula to the bottom of the list. As you see, for each zip code in column B, based on the table array in column I and J, it found the respective city for that zip code and put it in column D. Let's do a few double checks. Row 5, 19012 should be Philadelphia in my data source. Let's check. It's correct. 1911012 is Philadelphia. Let's check another one. Row 346, 90605 should be Los Angeles. That's correct, Los Angeles. Now I'm going to do the same process, this time using XLOOKUP function. XLOOKUP is supposed to make the VLOOKUP formula a bit simpler. In VLOOKUP, your table array should be in order, meaning that the column that contains identical values should come first, and the column that results are located should come after that. But in XLOOKUP, there's no need for an order in result array because you're not dealing with a table. So here, I changed the order of my table array, zip code and region column to show you what it means. I'm putting the column for city in another location, another column. Now, let's type XLOOKUP formula. Again, the first part is the same. I need to give it the location of my lookup value, the value that I'm looking to find a result for here, B2. Second, it's asking me for lookup array, not table array. Lookup array means the column or array that the identical values are located. Here, column H. Next, I need to give it return array. Return array is the column that my results are located. Drag in my formula to the bottom. When I check the VLOOKUP tab and XLOOKUP tab, both of them gave me the same results in column D. Let's double check a few of them. Row 4, 91977 should be San Diego. Yes, this zip code is located in San Diego. Let's do this one. 283, zip code 14222 is New York. Let's double check. Yes, it is New York. So the results are correct. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. Thank you.